Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlamenis on Monday, Petain expresses her concern over Nomalanga's erratic behavior. Sibongile confronts Kwezo about calling Nomalanga. Velepi vents to Sangweni about how she will deal with Samke once and for all. On Tuesday, Kwenzo receives a shocking surprise at his penthouse. Philippi tasked a reluctant Sangweni with finding the smoking gun needed to bring Samke down. Sis Mavis makes a big announcement on Wednesday. Velepi and Sangweni distract Babsi and get her out of the house so Velepi can put her plan into action. The helpers and Peteni can accept that one of them is indeed leaving. Thank you guys for watching.